Okay, this next question in the mortgage section I love because we've talked about this, but it's been a long time. I'm just a loving guy. Yeah. I'm very special that way. So, Freddy wants to know, I understand that the CalSTRS program is back. Is that true?
Kinda.
Kinda? Now you sound like Elise. It's like Elise is here and channeling herself through Scott. It's a yes and it's a no.
The answer is yes, and the answer is no. That would be accurate.
Yo.
So when the reason the CalSTRS program went away is because the Bank of America was the master servicer. So CalSTRS created certain guidelines, and they said, Mr. Master Servicer, Bank of America, if you write loans and approve loans and give people money for loans that meet this criteria, then the CalSTRS retirement fund will purchase those loans from you, and you just collect the payments for us for a small fee. So Bank of America decided we don't want to play games in it. We don't want to play this anymore. They bailed out in 2011. So that's
they took their shovel and left the sandbox?
They took it right out.
Those sons
took
of...
their Tonkas.
Frank, I need you to have a talk with these guys.
Please do. Big Bank, you got the
Big Bank, Frank, you got the
bat phone, right?
I'll call him right away, immediately.
So what's the yes part of this?
So the yes part is we have a new master servicer. So they finally made an agreement with the master servicer. They are working on the programs. I'm not going to say.
You're not going to say who the new master is?
No. Yeah, I don't know if I can. No, they did. They put out a press release. The company is called Mountain West.
Okay.
But that's not really relevant. There's, I mean, just like Bank of America was.
Not that Mountain West isn't relevant.
Yeah, no, who the master servicer is not really relevant. Who's approved to offer the loans, who's approved with the master servicer to offer the loans is relevant.
So Freddy's obviously a teacher, and he's wanting to buy a house. So the good news for Freddy is that some lenders know about this?
They're thinking September. So they're working on the programs now.
Okay.
The program that's been proposed right now is called it's not called. It already exists. Is basically what I'm saying. It's called the Fannie Mae My Community Mortgage. It's a conventional mortgage product with reduced mortgage insurance. There is going to be.
And that's going to morph into a CalSTRS program?
No, that is going to be the CalSTRS program. So just what CalSTRS did is they took an existing loan program and then they sort of added layers like a maximum amount of fees the lender could charge, and then CalSTRS sets the interest rates on a daily basis. So the lender doesn't decide what the interest rate is.
So this version of CalSTRS, comparatively, would you say it's improved or
no, it's
a little
just
more
different.
stringent?
It's different, and I think the fact that it's based on it hinges on a conventional product is better because starting June 3rd, we've got permanent mortgage insurance for FHA. So that makes it a better product, and it's a reduced mortgage insurance. So it ultimately comes down to about half the mortgage insurance of FHA. And the income limits are really flexible. It's like 140% of area median income.
With that loan, does it still require the FHA appraiser to come out, or now because you're kind of
no? This is a conventional loan product. It's a Fannie Mae loan product.
That can help. That can help a lot.
They're also they are talking about. I've been in talks with the administrators of the new CalSTRS program.
I thought you was going to say the administration.
So we've actually had some input and we've had some conversations with them about what types of loan programs would be good. They are looking at FHA programs. They are looking at the conventional program, and rumor has it they are also looking at something similar to having a second mortgage so that they can avoid mortgage insurance altogether. But either way, they're getting the bugs out. The bank who took it over is not a big established institutional organization like Bank of America, so there's going to be some bugs, and I don't expect it to be super smooth when it first rolls out. They're thinking maybe September sometime.
So good news for the teachers.
Absolutely.
It's about time because they are underpaid, and there's no doubt about that.
Really good news.
Thanks for that question, by the way, Frankie. Appreciate that.